Hello YouTube, this is Jessica from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off in the last tutorial, playlist series. And as you remember, in the last playlist series, I show you how to create an app, mobile app using Android and iOS, and how to scan items, how to create your own NFC Inventory Management System. And basically, this was my last playlist. You can go to this playlist right there and you can watch how we created it. Because we're going to take this, and just to give you an idea, just in case you did not watch my video, this is my physical device. I'll just show you how it works. You basically click to scan a new item, and then you get close to a card. And now I'm getting close to a card. I scan it, and it shows the item. It gives you a description, it gives you the tag ID, the description. By the way, great book. I highly recommend it. It shows you that it's in the warehouse. You can update the quantity to 2, and then you can edit it. If you want, you can edit it, look at it. You can update the item. You can go back. You can delete it. And when you're done, it's going to show right there how many, the quantity, how many are there, and when it was created, right? And you can also generate a report by going here to generate a CSV. And I did all that in the last tutorial, how to, you can send it to Google Drive, Gmail, text, whatever you want. I go into detail how to do that in those 6 videos in that playlist that I created. In this tutorial, what I'm going to do, because think of this app as the mobile app that you just walk around with it, right? It's your phone becomes the reader. But in this set of tutorials now that I'm going to be creating, I'm going to create this, which is this will be stationary. This will be on your desktop computer. This will be on your Raspberry Pi. It is FLTK. This was created with FLTK, so it's multi-platform. So you can use it on Windows, you can use it on Linux, you can use it anywhere. Mac, I'm using a Mac right now. And also it's written in Rust, also multi-platform. But why I say stationary? Because the way it works is you're in front of a computer, and let's say that you start the capture. It's attached to a reader, a card reader, and I'm going to scan the same tag that I did with the phone. It doesn't matter. It has all the protocols. So I get close to it now. It clicks, and it tells me that it found the item. And as you can see, it's the same item. It's the same book. And I'm going to show you. This is a description. It gives you a same thing like the other. I just want to show you from the beginning. Actually use the arrows. I don't know why I didn't, but it's too late now. So now, this is for developers who master the basics. Blah, blah, blah. So I say yes, I want to save it, and you're going to see that it's going to update. Close, and now I can go to the database, and there it is. It did not. I did not save it somehow. Let's scan it again. Let's scan something different, so it's a different card, so you get to see it. So now I'm using something else, another tag. And before, let me just show you here. Let's close the database for now. Stop capture and then start capture, so you can get these. Okay, so now you're gonna see it. Tag it, scan it. You see it picks it up. It knows that it's a different tag. As you can see, it's different tag. It's this tag. This was from the other one. And here you can put the name tag 2. tab, tag 2, description, tab quantity 1, tab location, warehouse, category uncategorized. That's fine for now. Save. It tells you that it was saved. And now, if we look at the warehouse, at the database, there it is. It shows you the tag ID, it shows you the name, the quantity, category is uncategorized, warehouse, and timestamp when it was created. Okay, how cool is that? And now it gives you the choice to delete. You can delete it. And it does it, refreshes right away. You can export the data to just like you can with the mobile app. You can save it, or you can also go to Google Drive and export the database, import the database. Because eventually what I'm going to do, I'm going to link the two together so they can be synchronized between the mobile app part of it and the stationary part of it. And that way they share a file and that you are able to, so they can both update, whether you're doing it through the computer going in or you're going through the mobile. Okay, so basically in this playlist of videos, I'm going to be working on the Rust FLTK stationary part of it. And the way we did it in the last tutorial, we use Android and Java. Um, we use Android and iOS for the Apple. And as you remember, we created all of these to the Android, Java world, and then iOS for the Objective-C world, but we use TypeScript. This is actual TypeScript, as you can see. And we did all of that in that tutorial. But for now, we're not doing that anymore. Now we're in the Rust world. So now this is the code that I have, and I will go in detail how to create all of this to make this possible. Okay, this is the Windows using FLTK, and then under the hood for all the logic, systems programming logic underneath is using Rust, and that's all we need. So Rust and FLTK. And in the next tutorial, what I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce you to what I use. These are the tags that I'm using. You can use many. It doesn't matter. Or they can be 213 or they could be 215. I'm using. Let me put this away for now. And the reader that I'm using is this reader right here. Um, It's about 20 bucks at if you buy it from Amazon, and it's supposed to be rewritable, and I still don't know how to do that. So if you know how to do that, so I'm not the only one complaining that I had a hard time. That's why I came up with my own reader just to be able to control it because I got so frustrated trying to use it. But that's what I'm using as a reader. It works good. I don't have complaints. All I have complaints is about the not very good explanation on how to use it. But the product itself is good. It does its job. And that's what I'm using for the reader. For the tags, like I said, I'm using these. I am also using cards. You can use the card types that you can also buy. So they're not very expensive, not at all. NFC uh, cards, and these are the ones some people like to use these. You could get a bunch of them for like 10 bucks. And same thing, they're using NFC and tag 215, and they're blank. So I have some of those. I have the other ones also, so it's up to you. But that's what we're going to do in the next tutorial. We're going to get deep into um, how to install Rust, how to uh, do it from scratch. We're going to create all of these from scratch, how to create the whole inventory management system. And we're going to do that in the next tutorial. This is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with another tutorial. Take care.